Hola, in this video we're going to talk about conjugation. If you're learning Spanish or another language, you will most likely come across the words conjugate and conjugation. For example, conjugate this verb into the present tense. Conjugate this verb into the yo form. But what do they mean? Well, conjugate basically means change when you're talking about verbs. If you're learning Spanish, a teacher might tell you to conjugate or change verbs from the infinitive form. The infinitive form of verbs are the forms that end in AR, ER, and IR. But why conjugate? Well, verbs in Spanish generally follow patterns. Those patterns are normally on the ends of the verbs and tell us certain information. They tell us who or what does the action and when the action occurs. For example, if we look at a simple verb like
hablar,
these endings will tell us that we are talking in the present tense and also who talks. But these endings tell us who talked in the past tense. These endings tell us who will talk. And these tell us who would talk. While
hablar,
only changes in the end, some verbs might have other changes in the middle portions or look completely different from the infinitive form. We call those irregular verbs. To review, if you're told to conjugate the verb, that means you're going to change the verb to say who does, did, used to do, would do, or will do the action. I hope you liked this video. If it was helpful, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with others who could benefit. Thanks for watching. Gracias.